Hello everyone, Namaste from India. This video is for international audience. Many people around the world say that they feel depressed. There is a lot of anxiety, stress among the people around the world. One good way to feel the positivity is through bhakti or through devotion. I am a Hindu from India, a highly educated Indian with qualification Bachelor of Engineering and Master of Engineering. Now what I want to say is that when people say that they are feeling depressed, they are feeling stressful, there are videos from the US, videos from the other parts of the American continent as well as from Europe, and people in general as well, not just from the videos but others as well, who have been saying about the stress, the anxiety. So to get relief from all this is through bhakti or through devotion. I am a Hindu who practices the Hindu religion, and many people around the world are not aware of the Hindu religion or the Sanatan Dharma. If you are already following another religion, that's absolutely fine, and you may stop watching this video. I am clearly saying that. However, for those who have been clearly saying around the world that they do not have any religion, or they are like, that's the way it is in their country or some part of their country. So, and if you are feeling stressful, if you are feeling you're going through such a negative phase of life, you may connect to the Hindu Bhagwan or the gods and the goddesses, and the immense positivity that you can feel throughout your life. So you can understand from several videos also that there are many followers of Shri Krishna, who is the Hindu god. The followers of Shri Krishna and Shri Ram in different countries apart from India. So there is a Hare Krishna movement as well in several countries, and there are Bhagwan Shiva temples as well in some countries outside India. So what I want to tell you is, if you're going through some phase in which you are facing such problems, why not connect to the divine power? So there are mantras. Okay, mantras are some short, like Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, which is a simple mantra of Ganapati. And I am saying this about mantras or connecting to the divine power because I have my own experience of positivity, and I connect to we have several gods or Bhagwan, we can say gods and goddesses in the Hindu religion. So Ganapati, that is Ganesha, he is known as the Prathamesh. Prathamesh means first, beginning. So for the beginning of any new thing, beginning of a new journey, or beginning of new academics, or beginning of anything, we first pray to Bhagwan Ganesha, that is Lord Ganesha. And Bhagwan Ganesha, he is the son of Bhagwan Shiva. In the Hindu religion, Bhagwan Shiva is one who is known as Mahadev. Maha means great, and his wife is Parvati Mata, goddess Parvati. And Bhagwan Shiva is the one who has never taken birth. He is from minus infinity, as we can say, Mahakaleshwar. There is a temple called Mahakaleshwar. Maha means mega, Kal means time. Okay, Mahakal means mega time, as you can say. Mega time meaning the Hindu religion had already defined. By the way, Hindu religion is the oldest religion of the world. You can Google it and find out. Hindu religion or the Sanatan Dharma. So, Bhagwan Shiva is Mahakal, that is mega time. Or I can say that mathematics defined the infinity much later, maybe some hundreds of years ago. But the thousands of years old Sanatan Dharma has already defined Mahakaleshwar, Mahakal, as means, what is the meaning of Mahakal, mega time? It means he did not take birth. He was there from Ananta time, that is minus infinity, to plus infinity. He will be there forever. So these are some of the, this is about the Bhagwan, the gods and goddesses. I am going to talk a lot about Shri Ganesha mantras, Bhagwan Shiva mantras, the 12 Jyotirlingas, that is the 12 important temples of Bhagwan Shiva. Then Dattatreya, that is the Bhagwan, that is Brahmaji, Vishnuji and Mahesha. So now this is all like it may go too much complicated at this stage, at the beginning stage. So just I told you about Bhagwan Shiva and Ganesha, that too little bit. There's so much to understand. You can also see videos around the world wherein many foreign nationals have been marrying Indian origin people, whether foreigner male or marrying foreign Indian females or abroad, or many foreigner females as well from Europe as well as American continent have been marrying Indian men. So many such things have been going on, and the Hindu religion has been loved by many people around the world. There are many individuals, male as well as female, as well as married people, who have been staying in India and they love India. They have been creating videos only about India, the Sanatan Dharma. They have been visiting the Mahakumbh Mela, which has been going on right now. Most important thing that I would like to say is that the West, especially the Western media, has portrayed lot of negative things about India during the last several decades, or maybe due to lack of knowledge, or it was deliberately done. But today many people have been realizing the power of Sanatan Dharma. Apart from the gods and the goddesses, the Hindu way of living is about food, the culture, the festivals. We have Deepavali or the Diwali, the festival of lights, which we celebrate in the month of October or November. It's based on, we have a Hindu calendar as well. Then there are many things, not just related to God, but there are many things about the food as well, the food and the religion, how it is connected, the clothing, and so many things. India is a place wherein people of different languages live together. I am a Maharashtrian, speaking Marathi being my native tongue. However, my neighboring state is two neighboring states. On one side is Gujarat, another side is Karnataka, other states as well. Just want to give you an example that despite the different languages which are spoken, the one common connect for all are the festivals, the Sanskrit language, Many mantras are in the ancient Sanskrit language. There is one more department of the of India related to the Hindu religion. It is the Ayurveda. Ayurveda is medicine related branch, if in case you might have not heard about it. So that is the reason I am giving some basics. So there are several medicines which are plant based medicines for joint pains. There are several oils which I would like to say, which I would like to tell. You can consult a doctor, but some names just for information purpose I'm sharing. For joint pain purpose, muscle pain purpose, the Mahanarayan tail, the Narayan tail and the Mahanarayan tail, but the Mahanarayan tail is a better version, I would say. It's always there in my home as well, and very useful for joints. Mahanarayan tail, Chandan Bala Lakshadi tail, or tail means oil. Sheer Bala tail, that is Sheer Bala oil. Then Ashwagandha oil, and there are several other oils as well. Ashwagandha oil, then there is Sahachar oil. So these are some of the primary best oils which I told you for joint pain, muscle pain, but obviously consult an Ayurvedic doctor before use. So as well as in for there is Lakshadi Gugur. Lakshadi Gugur is especially for the joints, wellness of the joints. Similarly, we have several other Ayurvedic medicines as well. So talking about India as well, India is a very large country and so many food delicacies are there. For example, the Maharashtrian Puran Poli, Gujarat Dhokla is enjoyed even here in Maharashtra, in Mumbai and other parts of the country as well. The dosa. And why I'm talking about all this is it is related to that every place. For example, dosa is from the south. However, I even after finishing this video, I'm going to enjoy dosa. I'm going to go to a restaurant to enjoy dosa. It's an early morning in January 2025, and I'm creating this video. I'll be creating many other videos as well. So about the depression and all those things, what I was talking about is that the mantras are already there on my channel. However, I'll be explaining as and whenever it is possible about how to connect to the divine power. And we live right now in the Kali Yuga, in which there are so many problems around the world, as we can see. So many problems, just like the recent one in Los Angeles, the wildfires, wars taking place, then tsunamis, and the destruction which is happening. So this is all part, as well as tsunami of 2004, right, or any nearby, or even anywhere, the Japan, anywhere, whatever, the earthquakes everywhere that is. So this is all Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga is a time when all such things are happening. And in Kali Yuga, it has been, for people, there is no time. Everyone is running behind money, earning money. And that's the way how, the corporates are running. We see there is so much of work pressure everywhere around the world. And so the stress levels, everything. So what you can do is, I can say that just 16 minutes of a day, anytime. Say suppose if you are traveling, or say suppose you are just sitting after you wake up in the morning, or any time during the day. Say suppose you are doing any kind of activity, such as walking, or like commuting, traveling to your job place, or while coming, you can just chant the mantras For example, Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. I am saying the Ganesha mantras, Ganpati mantras. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Om Gang Ganpataye Namaha, Ekadanta Jai Namo Namaha, Vigneshwaraya Jai Namo Namaha, Parvati Sutaya Jai Namo Namaha, Shiva Putraya Jai Namo Namaha, Om Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurume Deva, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Now I have said all of this very fast, right? So, but in short, like, this is enough to connect to Ganesha. I wish I could put a photo of Ganapati, Shri Ganesha, here at the side, but I'm not sure whether editing and all that will be possible, because I want to try to, because this is already a very long video, 15 minutes already, and it will be longer. So what happens is I use free softwares, and it becomes difficult while to put anything addition, photo or anything in the video, because saving takes terrible amount of time. I use free software, so even if this becomes to be a half an hour video or a 40 minutes video, then just for adding photos, then it will be saving will take a lot of electricity, as well as maybe 2 hours or even more. That's the truth. Ganpati, Shri Ganesha, you can Google and see the photo of Ganpati. Now while I'm talking about Ganesha, Shri Ganesha, I would also like to tell you about Shri Siddhivinayak. You can visit the official website of Shri Siddhivinayak, and I'll try to put the channel link of Shri Siddhivinayak on in the description box of this video. This live darshan from morning 5:30 a.m. to night around 10 p.m. and sometimes it's more than that timing on Tuesdays. So Shri Siddhivinayak is also a form of Ganesha, and a very powerful form of Ganpati, and I consider him to be my best friend. He has given me lot of happiness, lot of peace, have solved lot of problems. So this is the core part of this video, that bhakti, or connecting to the divine power and the solutions. Now I'm not going to maybe talk about each and everything what he has done for me, but praying, visiting the Aarti, during my lifetime, especially from the year 2006 till the pre-COVID, pre-pandemic times, I used to visit Shri Siddhivinayak temple, which is in Prabhadevi, Mumbai, several times. I used to visit for the 7:30 p.m. Aarti. The timings which I said were in Indian Standard Time, so maybe from anywhere you are listening, you need to consider that time, adjust according to that time. But just look at him. The live darshan link is available on the channel. Just look at him, pray for the positive, pray for what you want. Just say Shri Siddhivinayaka Namo Namaha, Shri Siddhivinayaka Namo Namaha, or Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, but Shri Siddhivinayaka Namo Namaha. Whenever it is Ganpati, when it is about Ganpati, I am more connected to Shri Siddhivinayak, and he has solved so many of my problems, so many. A very famous, I should say the world famous Shri Siddhivinayak temple is in Mumbai. So connecting to Shri Siddhivinayak, I'm going to tell you about, obviously I told you a little bit about Bhagwan Shiva, Ganpati. I told you the most, my friend, my best friend Shri Siddhivinayak, I told you, and how how close I am to him, how close I feel, that I told you. Obviously I'll tell you about Shri Hanuman. I'm also a big devotee of Shri Hanuman. Shri Hanuman is also a form of Bhagwan Shiva. However, when chanting the name of Bhagwan Hanuman, Shri Hanuman, one has to take the name of Shri Ram. I hope Shri Ram everyone might have heard of internationally. So Shri Ram, he's a form of Vishnu. So let's not talk about the different forms at this stage of different forms of Vishnu. However, Vishnu, or the forms of Vishnu, Krishna, you might have heard of Krishna, this Hare Krishna movement happening around the world. So many international people I mean international individuals around the world are devotees of Shri Krishna. So Shri Krishna or Shri Ram are the forms of are the avatars of Shri Vishnu, and Shri Vishnu, these avatars, they are the, you can say, givers or palan karta, we say. That means whatever I am here right now speaking to you, whatever the knowledge, whatever the food that I've got during my lifetime, whatever the benefits that that a person gets during the lifetime, they are being provided by Vishnu and his wife Shri Mahalakshmi, also known as the goddess of wealth. So now you understand what we are talking about. The Hindu religion is so deep. We are talking about the one who is providing, the provider, that is Vishnu, or the forms of Vishnu. His wife, Shri Mahalakshmi. A simple mantra for Mahalakshmi, Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha, which you might have heard, which you can hear from many of my shorts which are published on Friday. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha, or Om Shrim Hrim Kamale Kamala Laye Prasida Prasida Shrim Hrim Klim Mahalakshmi Namaha. Chanting this mantra 108 times, especially on Fridays or any other day, it is for wealth. No matter in which, I mean, form of currency you desire to get wealth in your country. Like means if you are in Canada, it is Canadian dollars. In US, it is US dollars. In Australia or in Europe, whichever currency, euros or like pounds. So the goddess of wealth, the goddess Lakshmi, money, financial growth, and even the shortest mantra for Lakshmi, Shrim, SHREEM, that is how it can be written in English, but Shrim. Anything in multiples of 9. For example, Shrim, 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 Shrim. 9 times I said, right? So 9 times, this way you can repeat as many times as you want. So some information about Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, I gave. On Diwali, as I said, the Hindu festival, we do Lakshmi Pujan. There is a day dedicated for the puja, praying to goddess Lakshmi. Also, one more information. Bhagwan Ganesha, Ganapati, is the son of Bhagwan Shiva and Parvati Mata, goddess Parvati. But goddess Lakshmi, that is goddess Lakshmi, considers Bhagwan Ganapati like her son. Okay. Now let's talk about the karmas. The word karma, which is now used so much in the English language around the globe, comes from India. Karma comes from karma. Karma, what I do, what anyone does. The Hindu religion believes says that birth is a cycle. Life, birth and death, it keeps on going up to the time one does not get moksha. So to get moksha, one has to minimize the sins, and we do not know the sins or the karmas which have been accumulated from last several hundreds of years, and I'm lucky to be born as a Hindu, because as well as a human, we get to connect to that divine power, to Bhagwan, and to reduce our sins. One thing I was telling before some time, around 10 minutes, it was about Kali Yuga. The Kali Yuga, that where we are seeing so much war, so much of problems around the globe, inflation, so much of poverty around the world. Like, though people say that poverty is reducing, there is poverty. There are people around the world who do not have food. I have seen videos in from the USA as well. People live in tents. People have problem of food. Even in we see the problem in UK, the United Kingdom. I have seen all videos where many videos, though not all, many videos wherein businesses are shut. The once upon a time very famous coastal place, now the hotels are shut. Nobody, the buildings and all, they are just like becoming ruins. So much of so many problems. Even in London, the videos have been coming online. Several shops, they are like available for rent, but nobody is ready to do business. So many problems that have been happening. Even in the US, so many videos they are online about even in the New York City. I have seen, like, there are so many problems. The videos, even if you are going to Google, you're going to put it on YouTube, you can find out. So nobody can say that there is no problem in the world, there is no poverty. No, that is not the case. Anyways, so that is Kali Yuga. That is what I wanted to tell. Kali Yuga. And in Kali Yuga, there is no time, right? There is no time. We are always busy. This video which I am creating on this topic, and there will be several more on the similar topics related to this. I wanted to create such this content around 1 year ago, before 1 year, maybe May 2024, or even before that, in fact. Then what happened was, it's easy for me and for many content creators to be at an open place, to walk and talk. So that is what I'm doing. I've been awake the whole night yesterday. That's my schedule usually, but today I thought I'll come here to the playground. I'll talk with international audience, and the video which I wanted to create maybe even before June 2024. Then June, July, August, those are all monsoon seasons here. So like not possible to come here at the playground. Anyways, coming back, so Kali Yuga. So in Kali Yuga, there's minimum time for anyone, and so only chanting has been given maximum importance. Chanting, just say the name of the Bhagwan, the Mahamantra, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. There are many non-Indians as well who chant this mantra thousands of times on one single day. You can search such videos if you feel what I'm telling, if it sounds untrue. So this video which I have been creating is for the benefit of many people around the world. There are videos, as I said, in which people have been saying that they feel lost, they feel depressed, they feel as if there is nothing else left in life. So I thought, why not create videos for people around the world where to whom I can give positivity, they can give a try. Why not connect to Ganapati? Why not connect to Shri Siddhivinayak? Why not connect to Bhagwan Shiva? Why not connect to Shri Ram? Why not connect to Shri Krishna? And several other Bhagwans whom I have not yet introduced till now in this video, and to enjoy the divine power. So one can connect, as well as I said that and like this is like, listen to this video or ignore this video. Nobody is like making anything compulsion for you. As I said, this is for those who do not have, who say that they do not have any religion and are feeling stressful. They don't know what to do in life. Many people who what they say, heartbreaks and breakups, some kind of thing. I don't know all these kind of things. Okay, in life. I am 39, unmarried, Hindu, no affairs, no relationships. Okay, I know the power of bhakti. I know the power of connecting to the divine. However, let me make it clear, Indian audience who might be listening to this, it's not that I'm if I get good option to marry, good profile, I will certainly think about the same. But that comes to another topic. Recently I heard, we know it, but I heard that millions of people get married in the USA and the divorce rate is 53%. And even in here in Mumbai, India, so many divorce cases, so many cases around the world, as well as here in India. Actually, India has been known to be a country with very with a lot of stable marriages. But that's not the case. And we'll give you a bit introduction about the Hindu astrology, the Indian, which is Luna based, not the sun based astrology, the Luna based. So matching the patrikas, and that's how marriages used to happen. And that is how I tried when I was between my age 26 to 2 years ago. Up to that time I tried, and then now that's a different topic, and now it would be a huge topic. And I'm a very good reader of understanding situations. We'll talk about that in some other video, but just one thing that I would like to tell. 2020 pandemic, COVID 2019, which started from mainly in India from February 2020, as well as in the US from same February 2020. November 2019, in my WhatsApp group, I had made a statement. That time Indian market had hit 12,000, which was the highest, and I had written, technicals कब तक fail होगा? That's in Hindi. Up to what time will technicals fail? Look at my bold statement. And the group is alive, so anyone who can meet me, they can see what's there. I had written in the group. Technical कब तक fail होगा? ये 9,000 के नीचे गिरने वाला है. Means it's going to fall below 9,000. It may take months. That is what also I have written over there. It may take months. But technical कब तक fail होगा? It may take months. लेकिन ये आएगा नीचे. This will come down. And it did. Right? The reason was COVID. However, I make it very clear, I did not know that COVID would become the reason for that. That is also what I am clearly saying. But my technicals, my study, looking at the world, I am a highly educated person. engineering background, and as well as now I'm not I'm taking much interest into the stock market related things. Anyways, that was one thing, and this was 9,000 level what I told, but even before that, in December 2018 I had written about 7,000 levels. However, 7,000 did not touch, but 7,500 touched. Okay, so these were the predictions that I had done. However, I do not have much bigger media presence, or like on like that time my channel was also like having hardly any, like not even 50 subscribers, so it did not reach. However, there are many other things as well. Even during the entire COVID time, like the phase 2 in India, I had predicted it perfectly. I told it to my friends, and like blunders happened around the world. But I was like, we'll go into that topic much later. I'll create separate videos about how I remained safe during entire COVID, my intelligence, pure intelligence, and how I dealt with it, with the changing situation every time. I did not let the virus enter my home, and just because of my intelligence, the application of intelligence, I made it possible. And I would love to share the knowledge of how I handle anything in life with everyone, so that it's beneficial for others as well. Coming back to the topic, okay, so karma, as I was saying, karma. So whatever birth that one has taken here, it is something like you can go in on my channel. You can see I enjoy food from different restaurants. I put it on my channels. It is karma, good karmas maybe of this birth, of previous birth, that I'm enjoying good quality food, whatever that I want, as well as I have good knowledge of cooking. So karma, any kind of karma, the positive, negative, the sins. So now I'm going to talk about karma, and so I'm going to talk about Bhagwan Shani Dev. A very famous temple of Bhagwan Shani Dev is at Shani Shingnapur in the state of Maharashtra in India, which is considered to be a very safe place on the earth. There are no doors to the shops, and even for the home, or to the homes. I mean, if there are doors as well to the hotel room, there will be no locks. No locks over there. Shani Dev is the one, the Bhagwan, who gives fruits of the karmas, positive or negative. Then there is Sade Sati, that is 7.5 years time. So when one understands, about the Hindu religion, the beauty of the Hindu religion, there have been people from Russia, we say, they say it Russia, okay, Russia, from Russia, Europe, the USA, South America, Brazil, Brazil as well as other countries, Canada, who have been following at least some part of the Sanatan Dharma. That is, they are connected to Sri Krishna, most of them. But now, most important thing that I would like to tell is that some might say, oh, it is so difficult. Ganpati, the Ganesha, then you have to, like, I can assure you that within 16 minutes, it's already there on my channel. 16 minutes video, 17 minutes video, even sometimes 40 minutes video. Ganpati mantras, then Bhagwan Shiva mantras, then Parvati Mata mantras, then Dattatreya mantras, Shri Lakshmi mantras, then Shri Ram Arti, Shri Dattatreya Arti, Shri Hanuman Arti, Shri Vitthal Arti, Hanuman Chalisa, mantras of the Surya Dev. We consider Surya, that is the sun, as God. We have one mantra of the Surya, Om Ghruni Suryaya Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. The other name of Surya, the sun, is Bhaskar. The sun gives so much energy, and the Hindu religion considers it as Surya Dev. Surya Dev. I hope everyone knows the numeral 0 was invented in which country? In India. Then the turmeric, the use of turmeric in Ayurvedic medicines, in Indian foods, Ayurveda as well as Indian foods. So much ancient culture. So, and there are even some individuals, within the age of boys as well as girls, from anywhere, South America, anywhere, who have been learning or trying to know the Hindu religion from their own country. So this video is also essential or beneficial for them. And in these 40 minutes, I have shared not even 1% of the thoughts that I want to share. There is a lot more, tremendous, almost infinite knowledge that a person can gain by connecting to the Hindu religion. Following the Hindu religion does not require any kind of, in Hindi little bit I'll say, giving dubkis in some water, like, following the Hindu religion. Like some people have doubt, like what should I do to be a Hindu? Nobody even needs to, a non-Hindu, nobody even needs to convert himself or herself to Hinduism. Does not need to. I repeat those words. Just connect to the divine power. As I said, Surya Bhagwan, the mantra, the Gayatri mantra of Surya, the Surya Gayatri mantra, as I should say, that you can chant as many times as you want. I've said it on my channel. Listen to the Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodaya. Om. You can say Om as well again. If you are saying Om at the starting and at the end, it is called as Samput. So now I'll tell you about Shri Hanuman. I told you around 10 to 15 minutes before that when I was saying Hanuman, he is there, he is present here on the earth, as he said to Shri Ram that up to the time the name of Shri Ram will be said or spoken on the earth, Shri Hanuman will be, he himself will be present here. I am a big devotee of Shri Hanuman. My lucky number right from my birth is numeral 6, and many Bhagwan connect to me, or I connect to them. They give me signals, I should say, in the form of numbers, like 6 being my lucky number, and all the time since my childhood. Even the date of birth of my father is 6, and 6 has been helping me everywhere. So now I'll tell you one thing. From 2022, February 2022, I have been seeing the number 66, the angel number 66, so many times. And who is it it is any form of Vishnu, Krishna and Sri Ram. Earlier the connection was Sri Krishna, 2022, 2023, and I'm very much sure about it. However, let me make it very clear to you. This is you will not find it on Google. Okay, it is not standard or something. I am telling my own connection. The supreme power might connect to other individual in the form of some letters or some symbols or maybe some other numbers. But 66 for me, it is Sri Ram, Sri Krishna. And now comes, and I've had proofs for myself about who 66. I would also like to tell you that since I am Kshatriya by birth, so like we eat non-veg, but it is limited. Like we Indians, we Hindus, we eat limited non-veg, that is chicken, mutton, fish, eggs. However, let me make it very clear, I do not eat mutton from childhood, hardly any time I would have had. In 2022, I gave up eating chicken voluntarily, and then 66 number, that was also the time I used to connect much to Sri Krishna, and 6666 everywhere, 66, 666, it started. Then in last year 2024, or no, not 2024, 2023 itself, May or June 2023, May 2023, I started seeing another angel number, 88. So what is this 88? 8 as such is a number of only single 8 of Shani Dev. I introduced Shani Dev before some time. However, 88, this is my own perception and I am very much sure about it. For me, 88 connection is with Sri Hanuman. He is always there around me. Now what I am saying is, anytime when I have to go somewhere or I want to travel, I get a vehicle which is 66 numbered or 88 numbered, and I do understand, we say in Hindu religion that where there is Sri Ram, there is Sri Hanuman. And so the connection, I used to see 66, 66, 66, 666 from 2022. Earlier it was Krishna connection. Later I do understand it is Krishna as well as Sri Ram. Both are avatars of Sri Vishnu, one and the same, almost one and the same. And 88. So many times I have to pay a bill somewhere. 888, 88. Vehicle number 88. There are videos on my channel this year, in 2024, 1st April 2024. Me, my two maternal aunts, my mom, we were planning, we wanted to go to Alibag. Alibag is a coastal place. I've been there 28 times, near Mumbai. So we wanted a big car actually, because 4 of us were there. So 1st April we started our journey, but just few days before 1st April, like I was not getting a good car. I wanted a good person, good car in good condition, and so like I was like saying, praying, like I should get it, okay, because 4 of us, usually me and my mom travels, but now 4 of us, so I have to get a good car. So I called one person who had a smaller car, with whose car I traveled to, and he's also my subscriber. I traveled by his car in 2023, May 2023 or April 2023 to Alibag. So I told him that, I need a bigger car. If you have, or you are any of your friend, please let me know. So he gave a number, and I was like saying to myself, the number came on WhatsApp, and I said, there is no 88 or 66 in this number. The help which will come obviously it will be in somewhere from 8, it will be representing 88 or 66 Shri Ram or Shri Hanuman. So we spoke, and the deal was finalized, whatever the amount, and I told him okay to send me the car photo. However, he had a DP, WhatsApp DP, the same. He is standing in front of the car, and you guess what? The number of the car having 88. Yes, this is the divine power. This is the divine power. Now I am making it very clear. It might be the numbers or anything. You might not be. It might be something different. It might be people connecting to you. But the divine connection, the help that you might get. There's a dog, someone's pet dog. I'm just moving away from that dog to be careful. So, and next day, 1st April, when I started the tour, along with my suitcases, I was ready. So I understood. What I mean to say here is, on 30th, 1st April, so 31st March, earlier day, one day before, I got the signal from Shri Hanuman that he is going to travel with me, or he is giving me the safety signal that yes, you go, I'm there, don't worry. And now this is becoming like only the short part of the story, like how directly I'm connecting 88 to Shri Hanuman. There are many more such instances where he has given me that proof. Based on that, then final the story I'm telling you. There are many. I cannot include each and every story here. The video might get very long. So okay, not just that. When I saw the car 88, and I had seen the DP first. This is an example, okay, in this video that I'm giving you, that when you're going to connect, when you're going to try to connect to the divine powers, the divine power will obviously connect to you and offer you safety, offer you protection, offer you good luck, and that can give you peace of mind, that can give you positivity, or that can solve many of your problems of life. So that vehicle, at the back of that vehicle, there was a photo of sticker of Shri Hanuman. More proof, to me, and I was seeing 88 number, the number plate of that car, and Hanuman photo at the back of that car. He is with me, he's traveling with me, safe travel. The signal is there. And and then I was then in the front part of the car, when I was keeping my luggage and some handbags, cloth handbags, and then I was going to sit near that mirror. We usually have a Hanuman, a flying Hanuman. Hanuman is Pavan. He's related to flying in the air. So and I see Hanuman here as well. Complete protection. So this is in my case. Let me make it very clear. Do not, if you are seeing 66, if you are seeing 88, please do not relate the same to you. Your story will be completely different than mine. Might be different than mine. So there is no nothing this is my own experience about my own self, about connecting to the divine. Your experience, or even any Hindu who is listening to this, his or her experience will be different from mine. Okay, so I know how and even my audience who are listening to me, my 5,000 plus subscribers, maximum Hindu subscribers, and whenever Saturday shorts. Okay, by the way, Saturday is the day of Shri Hanuman. That also I am telling you to the international audience. Okay, so there are so many even you can see there are so many devotees of Shri Hanuman who are who are also the subscribers of this channel. So Okay, so to the international audience, there is Hanuman Chalisa. Okay, Chalis means 40 in Hindi, and Chalisa, Hanuman Chalisa, it is very powerful. You know, these powerful lines. Even I create shorts as well of Hanuman Chalisa, few lines. Hanuman Chalisa, entire Hanuman Chalisa, it's already there on my channel. In July 2024, I said Hanuman Chalisa, not on my channel, in my personal life, 108 times in 24 hours. And I know the power of Hanuman Chalisa. So this is another important part of the video, very important part of the video. That first say the name of Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, you can say Jai Hanuman. Or even if I say any international audience who is listening, even if you say Jai Shri Ram, or Ganpati Bappa Moria, that is saying the name of Ganpati first, Jai Shri Ram, taking the name of Ram, Shri Ram, and Jai Hanuman. So Ganpati Bappa Moria, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman. Was shortest. See it as many times. See the wonders in your life. Problems getting solved, or like help coming from somewhere, feeling peace of mind, people who were giving trouble stopped giving trouble, maybe some of that kind. So this video is for everyone. It's 56 minutes and plus some more. So I hope there is improvement in the quality of life of international viewers, that is everyone around the world. In India, I am a Hindu, many Hindus, we have this knowledge, and I would also like to tell several Hindus who are listening to this video from India, who are highly educated like me, doctors, engineers, or even from other fields, you can connect through this channel. And also I would like by giving knowledge coming on the videos, on my videos, connecting online, and say suppose we can have a discussion. There are so many kind of such YouTube channels, right? I have never had such a video on my channel, but you want to give any kind of knowledge, you are a neurosurgeon, you are a doctor of any body part, neurosurgeon, or like related to limbs, Ayurveda, allopathy, related to heart, kidney. I would love to have such knowledge being given on my channel in 3 languages, English, Hindi, Marathi, and not just English, Hindi, Marathi. Even for the Indian audience, in several languages as well, Bengali, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu. If you want to share knowledge, create videos online, along with me for my channel, and give. There are some boys playing volleyball over there, and they are making a lot of noise. So all such kind of content is welcome. Giving knowledge and is what I love for others. Also, I would like to tell to all my 5,000 plus subscribers that ये चैनल को बहुत आगे लेके जाना है. मेरे टोटल सब चैनल्स पे से 3 चैनल्स है, तो 1 लाख प्लस सब्सक्राइबर्स, एंड बहुत सारा मुझे नॉलेज देना है लोगों को. कुछ ना कुछ मैथमेटिक्स का रहेगा. ये तो बाकी ठीक है. आई एम स्पीकिंग टू माई इंडियन ऑडियंस राइट नाउ इन हिंदी, सो प्लीज़ बेयर. आई एम टेलिंग दिस टू द इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस कि ये चैनल को बहुत आगे लेके जाना है. हाईली एजुकेटेड हूँ, बहुत पढ़ा लिखा हूँ, बहुत चीज़ों को समझता हूँ. बहुत सारे लोग मेरे आजू बाजू में भी जो गलत करते रहते हैं, वो मुझे पता रहता है कि वो गलत कर रहे हैं. कई बार बोल नहीं पाता हूँ, और मुझे दिखता है वो सब हो रहा है, और वो मुझे भी उससे प्रॉब्लम भोगने को लगता है मुझे उससे वजह से. बट एनीवेज, सो आई एम पर्सन, व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल इज हु एनालाइजेस, हु अंडरस्टैंड्स मेनी थिंग्स वेरी नाइसली. सो आई फील दैट मेरी ड्यूटी की तरह इस यूट्यूब चैनल को चलाने के लिए कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैं नॉलेज दूँ पब्लिक को, अपने इंडियन ऑडियंस को भी. हिंदी में दूँ, इंग्लिश में दूँ, मराठी में दूँ. मुझे तो 3 ही लैंग्वेज आती है, और मुझे तो एजुकेशन मिला. मैं कॉन्वेंट स्कूल से पढ़ा हुआ हूँ. इंजीनियरिंग BE की डिग्री है, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री है, और साइलैब एंड IIT बॉम्बे के कुछ कोडिंग के प्रोजेक्ट्स भी मैंने किए और बहुत कुछ मतलब मैंने दुनिया के बारे में बहुत वीडियोस देखे, बहुत कुछ जाना है वीडियोस के थ्रू ही। और सो मुझे ये लगता है कि इंडिया की ग्रोथ करने के लिए नॉलेज देना पब्लिक को, एजुकेशन देना, उनकी भाषा में देना या क्या बोलूँ मैं, मतलब सिंपल शॉर्ट्स के रूप में देना, वीडियोस में मैक्सिमाइज़ कर देना, तो ये फोकस रहने वाला है चैनल का 1 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स तक लेके जाने में। अभी तो ठीक है, मैंने ऐसा मतलब बहुत सारा मेहनत है इसमें, हर एक वीडियो बनाने में मेहनत है, बहुत सारा कंटेंट इंग्लिश में आएगा, हिंदी में आएगा, मराठी में आएगा, बाकी तो डेली कंटेंट जो है मेरा वो तो आते ही रहते हैं। कभी मैं रेस्टोरेंट जाता हूँ, इधर जाता हूँ, ये एंजॉय किया, वो एंजॉय किया, डेली लाइफ में मैंने कुकिंग किया, कुछ किया। एनीवेज, तो चैनल का वो मतलब ग्रो करना है मुझे, चैनल्स को, तीनों चैनल्स को वैसे ग्रो करना है मुझे कि आयुर्वेदा का नॉलेज कुछ ना कुछ। एनीवेज, कमिंग बैक टू द इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस, so I told you about food, different kinds of food, the dosa, there is idli, and Ayurveda I told you, information about some gods and goddesses I gave. I did not tell you yet about Saraswati Devi, the goddess of knowledge, education. So there is deep knowledge in the Sanatan Dharma, in the Hindu religion. You can also search Mahakumbh Mela information, not on my channel, obviously available on YouTube. It's a grand event of India. So I hope why the sole purpose of this last 1 hour, what I'm talking about, is for people, I repeat, those who are feeling depressed around the world, outside India, and those who don't know anything about the Hindu religion as well as about India. They can just like read, understand, connect to the divine power and feel that positivity, for themselves, and just 16 to 17 minutes, okay, of mantra chanting, just one time. As I said, Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah, Om Ganga. I'll just say next 5, actually it would go up to 16 minutes, but I'll try half of it only content I will say. Here itself you can just listen the nectar of the entire this video is here for the international audience. I'll start it and then you can slow, you just like you can make the video run faster, you can also slow it and you can listen. Okay, I'll say it fast because the video length is becoming too long, and you can also give me in the comments like which mantra for which god, what for peace, what should I do, how should I chant, and it's everything free of cost. Nothing is, I mean, you should just give a like on my video. I mean, the donations are welcome from any part of the country for running the channel. I need a lot of funds, but this knowledge content, the donation is like voluntarily by anyone, even from India. बहुत पैसा लगता है चैनल रन करने के, वो बहुत डिवाइसेस ये वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इंटरनेट खर्चे है, तो किसी को मन में दान करना हो तो दान ऑफ एनी टाइप इज़ वेलकम। कुछ भी चलाने के लिए पैसा बहुत लगता है भाई, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी चलाने उनको भी पैसा लगता है, एक बैनरबाजी ये वो सब करना पड़ता है, जो कुछ भी है, या दुकान खोलना है, कुछ करना है किसी को भी। यूट्यूब चैनल का भी बहुत है पीछे से बैकग्राउंड, और चैनल्स को बहुत ग्रो करना है और सब अकेला करता हूँ मैं। सो donations of any kind is welcome, but not compulsory. Anything, we'll talk about it in a separate video. Anyways, we start the nectar of this video. The nectar of this video starts. ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः, ओम गंग गणपतये नमः, एकदंतजय नमो नमः, विघ्नेश्वराय जय नमो नमः, पार्वती सुताय जय नमो नमः, शिवपुत्राय जय नमो नमः, ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. नाउ गणपति आरती. सुख करता दुःख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची नोरवी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर ओटी शेंदुराची कंठी सळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामनापूर्ती जय देव रत्न खचित फरा तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची उटी कुमकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो परा ऋणसुण तीनु पुरे चरणी घागरिया जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामनापूर्ती जय देव लंबोदर पितांबर फणीवर बंधना सरळ सोंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना दास रामाचा वाटपा हे सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरोर बंधना जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामनापूर्ती जय देव नाव भगवान शिव आरती लवथवती विग्राळा ब्रह्मांडी माळा विषेकंठ काळा त्रिनयनी ज्वाळा लावण्य सुंदर मस्तकी बाळा तिथुनिया जल निर्मळ वाहे झुळझुळा जय देव जय शिवशंकरा आरती ओवाळू तुझ कर्पूर गौरा जय देव कर्पूर गौरा भोळा नैनी विशाळा अर्धांगी पार्वती सुमनांच्या माळा विभूतींचे उधळण शिवेकंठ निळा ऐसा शंकर शोभे उमा वेल्लाळा जय देव जय शिवशंकरा आरती ओवाळू तुझ कर्पूर गौरा जय देव देवी दैत्य सागर मंथन पै गेले त्या माझी अवचित हळहळ सापडले तेव्हा असुरपणे प्राशन केले नीलकंठ नाम प्रसिद्ध झाले जय देव जय शिवशंकरा आरती ओवाळू तुझ कर्पूर गौरा जय देव व्याघ्रांबर फणीवर धर सुंदर मदनारी पंचानन मन मोहन मुनिजन सुखकारी शतकोटींचे बीज वाचे उच्चारी रघुकुटी कराम दासा अंतरी जय देव जय शिवशंकरा आरती ओवाळू तुझ कर्पूर गौरा जय देव शिव आरती भगवान शिव आरती इज डन नाउ समथिंग मोर अबाउट भगवान शिव that is a महामृत्युंजय मंत्र for winning over death or to get for protection and for moksha. Okay. ओम त्र्यंबकम यजामहे सुगंधिम पुष्टिवर्धनम उर्वारुकमिव बंधनान मृत्युर्मुक्ष्यम अमृतात ओम. You can say it 108 times. Also you can say this is not Mahamrutyunjay mantra what I am going to say next, but this also you can say Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Samsara Saram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridaya Vinde Bhavam Bhavani Saitam Namami. Now you can say Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. This is now 11 times I said. This way you can say 108 times, but at least one time also if you can say, that is good. Okay. Now there are 12 famous Jyotirlingas in that is Bhagwan Shiva temples in India. So some of the names I will take here, like Om Somanathaya Namaha, Somnath in Gujarat. I'll say it fast now. Now explanation some other video I'll give. Om Somanathaya नमः ओम केदारनाथाय नमः ओम मल्लिकार्जुनाय नमः ओम वैद्यनाथाय नमः ओम गुरुष्णेश्वराय नमः. So this way there are total 12. Okay, as of now I have said only a few names. Now wife of Bhagwan Shiva, that is Parvati Mata Aarti, that is Ganesha's mother. ओके. सो दुर्गे दुर्गट बहारी तुझ विण संसारी अनाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी वारी वारी जन्मा मरणा ते वारी हारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी सुरवरी ईश्वरवर दे तारक संजीवनी जय देवी त्रिभुवन भुवनी पाता तू जाईसी नाही चारी श्रमले परंतु न बोलवे काही साही विवाद करत्या पडले प्रवाही ते तू भक्तांना लागी पावसी लवलाही जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी सुरवरी ईश्वरवर दे तारक संजीवनी जय देवी प्रसन्न वदने प्रसन्न होसी निजदासा क्लेशान पासून सोडी तोडी भवपाशा अंबे तुझ वाचून कोण पूर्विलाशा नरहरितलीन झाला पतपंग जलेशा जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी Suror Ishwaravar De Taraka Sanjivani Jai Devi. Now I will say the mantra of Shri Gurudeva Datta, that is Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesha. Brahma the creator, Vishnu the Palankarta, that is the provider or the supplier of all the whatever that we need in life. I have already explained this. And Shiva, Bhagwan Shiva, that is the cycle ends, like birth, life and death and then again. So that way. Also Bhagwan Shiva, from his jata, that is from his head, the holy river Ganga flows. Okay, so that additional information I give. Now I will say Om Shri Gurudeva Datta, that is Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesha, very powerful. Okay, more explanation of overall Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha I'll give sometimes later in some other video. So Shri Gurudeva Datta, Om Digambara Shripad Vallabha Digambara, very powerful mantra of Bhagwan Dattatreya. Om Digambara Shripad Vallabha Digambara. Then one more, Guru Brahma, you can say Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Now these talks about Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesha. Okay, explanation some other time. Video is getting too long. Now Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesha, right? Now this the Palankarta, that is Vishnu. So mantra for Vishnu, very important. Like Palankarta, the protector, whatever that we are doing here in life. Om Shri Vishnave Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. One more. So 2 mantras I told you. Now third. Om Shantakaram Bhujagashayana Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganasadarusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikandam Kamalanayanam Yogi Virdyanagambhyam Vande Vishnum Bhavavayaram Sarva Lokaikanatham. Now, wife of Vishnu. I have already told the mantra, but now once again. Om Mahalakshmi Cha Vidmahe Vishnu Patnai Cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om. That is mantra of Shri Mahalakshmi. I repeat. Om Mahalakshmi Cha Vidmahe Vishnu Patnai Cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om. One more mantra of Mahalakshmi. Om Shrim Hrim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Shrim Hrim Klim Mahalakshmi Namaha. One more, which I have already told 9 times. You can say Shrim 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 Shrim. Then you can also say for Kuber mantra. That is Mahalakshmi is like money flow that you have to get, wealth, but money flow, daily life, everything. But Kuber means some Sanchit means stored wealth. That means wealth which you are not going to like spend for several years. So for that, very easy mantra. Dham. You can say 9 times. Dham 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 dham. 9 times I said. So this way any number of multiples. Okay. So that is done. Now I'll say the arti of I'll say mantra of Krishna. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama, which means I surrender myself to Shri Krishna. Such a nice mantra. Now, and you know Krishna, so much of bhakti going on around the world. One more Mahamantra, which I have already said. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So this mantra, Shri Ram as well as Shri Krishna, avatars of Shri Vishnu. Okay, so that is done. Now, what should I say? Okay, Hanumanji. Okay, but before that we should say what? Shri Ram. So I'll say Shri Ram Arti. उत्कट साधुनी शिळा सेतू बांधोनी लिंग देह लंकापुरी विध्वंसुनी कामाक्रोधाधिक राक्षस मर्दोनी देह अहम भाव रावण निपटोनी जयदेव निजुबोधारामा परमार्थे आरती सद्भावे आरती परिपूर्ण कामा जयदेव प्रथम सीता शोधा हनुमंत गेला लंका दहन करुनी अखया मारिला जंबुमाळी भुवनी राटीला आनंदाची कुडी घेऊन आला जयदेव निजुबोधारामा परमार्थे आरती सद्भावे आरती परिपूर्ण कामा जयदेव निज बळे निज शक्ती सोडविली सीता म्हणून येणे झाले अयोध्ये रघुनाथा आनंदे बोसंडे वैराग्य भरता आरती घेऊन आली कौसल्या माता जयदेव निजुबोधारामा परमार्थे आरती सद्भावे आरती परिपूर्ण कामा जयदेव अनाहत ध्वनी गर्जती अपार 18 पद्मी बानर करती भुभुकार अयो देशी दशरथ आले कुमार नगरी होत आहे आनंद थोर जयदेव निजबोधारामा परमार्थे आरती सद्भावे आरती परिपूर्ण कामा जयदेव सहज सिंहासनी राजा रघुवीर सोहम भावेत या पूजा उपचार सहजांची आरती वाद्यांचा गजर माधवदास स्वामी आठवना विसर जयदेव निजबोधारामा परमार्थे आरती सद्भावे आरती परिपूर्ण कामा जयदेव. Now I will say now after this I will take the name of Shri Hanuman. There is you can say Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Bajrang Bali, also the name of Hanumanji. Now I will say the आरती of हनुमानजी. सतराने उड्डाणे हुंकार वदनी करी डळमळ भूमंडळ सिंधू जलगगनी कडाडिले ब्रह्मांड दाखी तरी भुवनी सुरवर्णनी निशाचर या झाल्या पळणी जयदेव जय श्री हनुमंता तुमचे नि प्रसादी नभी कृतंता जयदेव दुमदुमली पाताळी उठिला प्रतिशब्द थरथरीला धरणी धर मानी राखेद कडाडिले पर्वत उद्गण उच्छेद रामी रामदासा शक्तीचा शोध जयदेव जय श्री हनुमंता तुमचे नि प्रसादी नभी कृतंता जयदेव. After this you can say Hanuman Chalisa. Okay, as well as there is Bhimarupi Maharudra, and this is not Hanuman Chalisa. This is long, but some 2 lines I am saying. Bhimarupi Maharudra Vajra Hanuman Maruti Banari Anjani Suta Ramaduta Pramanjana Mahabali Pranadata Sakran Utri Bade Sokyakari Dukkari Duta Vaishnava Gayaka Dinanata Harirupa Sundara Jagadantara, and there is a lot more. Just 2 lines I said. Now 1 hour 12 minutes video. Okay, I'll give you Hanuman Chalisa as well. Okay, so that you don't have to search on my channel. श्री गुरुचरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारी बर नव रघुबर बिमल जसु जोदायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिर पवन कुमार बलबुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरो कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपि सति लोक उजागर रामदूत तुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मुझ जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणियति चातुर राम काज करिबेको आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनिबेको रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिंह दिखावा विकट रूप धरि रंग चरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जी आए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि लाए रघुपति की नहीं बहुत बड़ाई तुम प्रिय भरत संभाई सहस्र बदन तुम रोज सगावे असगे श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनि सा नारद सारद सहित ऐसा जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कभी कोविद कह सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाए राजपत दीना तुमरे मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्रो जोजन पर भानु लियोताहि मधुर जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मिली मुखमाहि जल्दी लागे गए अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जे सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे ते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होतना आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुकल है तुम्हारी सरना तुम चक्का हो को डरना आपन तेज समारोह आपे तीनों लोग हाँक रे कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे ना से रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा संकट दे हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रमोचन ध्यान जुलावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्टसिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुमरे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुमरे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंतकाल रघुबर पुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त काई और देवता चित्तन धरे हनुमत से सर्व सुख करे संकट कटे मृे सपीड़ा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान को साई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई जो शतबार पाठ कर कोई छूटई बंदी महासुख होई जो है पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साकी गौरी सा तुलसीदास सदा हरिचे राखी जयनाथ हृदय माडेरा पवन तनय संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसु स्वरूप. That is Hanuman Chalisa. Extremely powerful, very powerful. There is another thing related to Hanuman Chalisa, but that you should not listen, and even I do not listen. And that is Bajranga Baan. Okay? I'm just telling the name. But Hanuman Chalisa itself is so powerful. Bajrang Baan, I'm not going to include it here, and I do not even listen. It has tremendous power, okay, in which oath is given to Shri Hanuman in the name of Shri Ram, that to get these things, some particular things done, if there is some obstacle in life. And I also do not listen. I mean, why you would say that? No, because there are some limits or some limitations that one does not have to cross. So, no to Bajranga Baan. Yes, a big devotee of Shri Hanuman Chalisa, and you will be seeing on the net as well. Listen to Hanuman Chalisa, follow, listen, say it. Hanuman will follow, Hanuman will, solve your problems. You follow only Hanuman Chalisa, listening or saying. Don't go to Bajrang Baan. Okay? Please. In short, I am telling whatever it is. Okay. So that is done. Now the next thing. Vitthal Aarti. Vitthal is also a form of Shri. Vitthal is also a form of Shri Krishna. Shri Vitthal temple is in Pandharpur. Very famous temple. Very ancient temple. So now Aarti I'll say as fast as I can. As much as possible. Fast as possible. Okay. Let's start. युगे 28 विटेवर युभा वामांगी रखुमाई दिसे दिव्य शोभा पुंडलिका से भेटी परब्रह्मालेगा चरणी वाहे भीमा उदरी जगा जय देव जय पांडुरंगा रखुमाई वल्लभ राई जवल्लभ पावे जीवलगा जय देव तुलसी माळा गळा करठी उनी कटिका से पितांबर कसुरी ललाटी देव सुरवर नितेरी भेटी गरुड हनुमंत पुढे वेराती जय देव जय पांडुरंगा जय देव पांडुरंगा रखुमाई वल्लभ राई जवल्लभ पावे जीवलगा जय देव धन्य वेणुनाद अनुक्षेत्र पाळा सुवर्णाची कमळे वनमाळा गळा राई रखुमाबाई राणी असगळा ओवाळी ती राजा विठोबा सावळा जय देव पांडुरंगा रखुमाई वल्लभ राई जवल्लभ पावे जीवलगा जय देव वाळुवार त्या कुरवंडे येती चंद्रभागेमध्ये सोडून या देती दिंड्या पताका वैष्णवनाचा ती पंढरीचा महिमा वर्णा वाकी ती जय देव पांडुरंगा रखुमाई वल्लभ राईच्या वल्लभ पावी जीवलगा जय देव आषाढी कार्तिकी भक्तजन येती चंद्रभागेमध्ये स्नाने जे करती दर्शन हेळा मातरी तया होय मुक्ती केशवासी नामदेव भावे ओवाळी ती जय देव पांडुरंगा रखुमाई वल्लभ राईच्या वल्लभ पावी जीवलगा जय देव So I've tried to give maximum nectar in this video itself. I thought that I would create another video. There are several more mantras, several other aarti as well, like Dattatreya Aarti, Shri Datta Aarti. Okay, some that I have not said, and I'm not including it here. It's getting too long now. Okay, Shri Sai Baba, very powerful place. Okay, in Shirdi. So the mantra Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha. अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक राजाधिराज योगीराज परब्रह्म श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. The first one was the mantra. और ओम साई नमो नमः, श्री साई नमो नमः, जय साई नमो नमः, सद्गुरु साई नमो नमः. Then Shri Swami Samartha. So many followers of Shri Swami Samartha in Maharashtra, mainly in Maharashtra and obviously everywhere in the world. But so just saying the name of Shri Swami Samartha There are so many channels, YouTube channels dedicated to Shri Swami Samartha. So you can only take the name of Shri Swami Samartha, Shri Swami Samartha, Shri Swami Samartha. Or you can say, Maharaj Shri Swami Samartha Jai Jai Swami Samartha, Sadguru Swami Samartha Jai Jai Swami Samartha. Okay? So maximum I've tried to give like information which can change the lives of many people. And one important message to those who feel depressed around the world: do not take any kind of extreme steps ever. As well as for those who are in India, जो हिंदू लोग हैं उनको बोलना चाहता हूँ, do not ever take any kind of extreme steps in life. बहुत कुछ है ज़िंदगी में करने को. There is a lot to do in life. You can start your YouTube channel. You can connect to the world. You can enjoy the divine power. One important message for the international audience: reduce eating the kind of animals. It is so obvious to eat different kind of animals in the Western world. Reduce it. See the magic. Bring it only up to fish and eggs. I myself, being a Kshatriya, and actually I would have completely given up eating all non-veg. But since I am a Kshatriya, so I can eat. So I have given up eating chicken completely. All kind of those dishes related to chicken, do not want to harm it. No mutton. I have reduced it only to fish and eggs, and that too just because I am highly educated person, so I have good knowledge of science, human health, and I know that the nutrients which are contained, which are there in eggs, and it is not direct harm. And fish, good for B12, good for the skin, and these are the reasons. Else I would have, if I would have had, because vitamin B12, we know, even I tell on my channel कि vitamin B12 लेना चाहिए. बहुत सारे डॉक्टर बोलते हैं vitamin B12 is essential. For vegetarians there is deficiency, so just to avoid that deficiency, for that purpose I consume fish, and eggs also I have reduced very much. So my message to the international audience, very important, is that at least stop eating. It's difficult to say even here, being a Hindu. Stop eating animals such as the bull and the cow. The cow is considered to be a very holy animal. It's very painful even to say that. One more thing, one reason I'm not interested to travel abroad is because the restaurants in which beef, pork is served, I cannot eat there. Okay, so I'm not interested to go to Swiss, UK, because it's difficult just to find vegetarian restaurants. Being a Hindu, as a Kshatriya, we are allowed and to eat only up to fish, chicken, mutton, eggs, and that too from that. Mutton and chicken I have completely given up. I mean, mutton hardly I ever had, as I said, sometimes rarely. maybe not even 10 times in my lifetime. And chicken, voluntary decision. And after that I started seeing those 6-6, 8-8, the, you know, so much, you know. I have the photo collection of 6-6 and 8-8, 666 and 888 as well. So like, I know there will be, if this video gets viral, and there will be some anti-Hindus as well who will be saying that क्या फिश तो खाता है. देखो भाई, कुछ तो रेड्यूस करना है, वो किया मैंने, एटलीस्ट उतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. और जो खा रहा हूँ वो मैंने बोला अकॉर्डिंग टू मेडिकल साइंसेस, फिश, एग्स, न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है वो उतना मुझे लेना है. सो reduce, that is the message I am saying. Reduce the type of animal harm. So that one important thing, see, reduce these. If you international audience, if you are going to limit yourself for your own benefit, not a compulsion, you can see like trying it for 2 months or 3 months, and then if you can continue. For me it was like one time decision and done. So even if you can try, you can keep it limited to fish and eggs, chicken eggs only, eggs and fish, seafood, and this much only. You might experience some good things happening in life. Finally, that is karmas that we need to think about. Okay, so I try to convey as much as possible what I wanted to share for more than a year. I was trying, and there will be other videos as well. So those mantras, artis which I said na, most of it I said, some I did not say. So you can listen to it on slow speed, and I can teach you. Okay, if you come put it in the comments. Okay, okay, you are interested. That's the biggest support for a content creator. If there are like so many comments coming from around the globe, around the world, from different countries, that yes, teach it slowly. So every line of Hanuman Chalisa saying slowly, say maybe a video, I will do it like Hanuman Chalisa slowly, line by line. Now this was like a daily preacher of the Hindu religion, how he can say it. And so so what I wanted to say is, like, it's not compulsion. I mean, you can read the Bhagavad Gita, very holy and important text, but Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad, there are volumes of several volumes of Srimad Bhagavad book to read, but that can go at a later stage, because initially for a new learner who is interested to experience the powers, the divine powers, the positive effects, this is the the shortcut way. Reduce your non-veg, get it only up to, say, suppose as I said, as I've done in my life, only keep it up to fish and eggs. The mantras, the artis, connect, feel the power, feel the experience, see the positivity in your life, how life changes. And for those who feel like too much depressed, there is a lot to do. You can learn Indian recipes, fodni dal tadka, like pulao, making all these in your own country. You can make dhokla, and you can make it on your channel, and you can show it to the world as well, that you have been learning to do all these things. Life can become wonderful. Let's hope that I'm hoping that this very important video reaches maximum people around the world in many countries, North America, South America, whether it is Chile, Paraguay, any African country, Australia, the USA, Canada, Mexico. I hope it reaches many people in the West. The video will remain online forever. So whoever listens to it will certainly benefit from this. Okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next video. Take care, and please, it's almost 1 hour 30 minutes of the videos, and I have been talking continuously. I hardly taken any pauses in between. I think there were 4 pauses that I took, and they were only just for few seconds. Once I took off, or like there were some people around, or like so I had to move. That was only for few seconds. So I've been speaking for 1 hour 30 minutes continuously to make lives of people better around the world. So if you think that my efforts the efforts that I've taken, if you appreciate these efforts, please click on the like button, okay, and share this video on various social media platforms. Okay, stay connected, comment, post your comments. Okay, so take care, bye bye.